All right, Coco Loco, what do we got going on today? What are we doing?
Now it's the race.
Are we racing monster trucks? Awesome. Let's see how does it go. All right. Can you introduce your trucks to me? Who are they?
This one is Fireman. See, this
Okay.
one's Hook. This one's Grave Digger. This one's Captain's Curse. This one's Dragon. This one's Thunder.
SmashSquatch?
Squatch.
Squatch. All right, I like it.
Wonder Woman, Batman, Megalodon, Dalmation, Spider-Man.
All right, we gonna race them? Let's race them. Okay, so our tournament today, Koen, we're gonna race monster trucks. He's gonna send them down the track that we built, and they're gonna go into the water.
Let's do it.
Winner moves on to the next round. Hold on, Koen, who's racing? What monster trucks we got? Hulk and Captain's Curse. All right, when you're ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go.
Oh, Hulk made it in.
Put me in. That was the first try.
Okay, Hulk wins that round, so he moves on to the next round. Captain's Curse is out. We're gonna move on to the next competitor. Who's next, Koen? No, he's on the next round. Who's that guy? Dragon? So who you got? Who you got? Who's racing?
Dragon, Grave.
All right, let's do it. Koen, who we got?
Regular Dragon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, he didn't make it in. Gravedigger Overcast is gonna move on. Dragon's out. We're moving on to the next round. We got SmashSquatch and Max D Fire. All right, Coco, who you got up there?
Squatch and Fire.
Squatch and Fire Max D. All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh! SmashSquatch makes it in. All right, SmashSquatch is moving on. Fire Max D is out. Who do we got next, Koen?
Wonder Woman, Ice Dalmation.
All right, Wonder Woman and Ice Dalmation. Okay, Koen, who you got up there?
Wonder Woman, Ice Dalmation.
Let's
1,
race.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That works. Go. Oh! Who made it? Okay, Coco. Second round of the tournament. Who's next? Who do you got? Show me.
Squatch, and Ice Dalmation.
All right, let's do it. Okay, Koen. Who do you got?
Squatch, and Ice Dalmation.
All right, let's do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Dad, Squatch is the good one.
Dad, Squatch
All right, Coco. So SmashSquatch won that one. He moves on to the finals. Who we got next?
Gravedigger, Hook.
All right. Is this a semi-final round? Let's do it. Okay, who do you got?
I got Gravedigger, Hook.
All right, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, we're gonna have to go to the replay on that one. Koen, what do we got? We got the finals. Who's in it?
Hulk, Squatch, Squatch.
SmashSquatch and Hulk. All right, let's do it. All right, for the championship, we've got, who do we have up there?
Hulk, Hotwheels.
SmashSquatch?
Squatch, Squatch, Hotwheels.
All right, let's do it. Championship.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh, who wins?
Squatch, Squatch.
Yes, SmashSquatch.
Squatch, Squatch.
You're champion, folks.
Who wins? Yes! Squatch, Squatch!
Koen, who won? Show me. What's his name?
Squatch, Squatch, Hot Wheels.
SmashSquatch Hot Wheels. All right.